In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can apply for an NCB credit card online. So you're going to go to creditcard.jncb.com, review the different cards and see which is best for you. So after you decide which card is best for you, you're going to select Claim Yours Now. Here you need to enter your monthly income before tax. Then select Continue. Now based on the income that you entered, it will determine if the card is a match or not. So once it's a match, select Continue. Review the information about the card and then select Apply. You can continue as a guest, or if you have an NCB online banking account, you can go ahead and sign in with NCB online banking. So good news, I have an offer for a pre-approved credit card, so I'm just going to select Get This Offer. Here I'm going to enter my offer code, which was on the previous screen. Once you have completed your review, select Apply Now. So you're going to review and answer these questions accordingly, and then select Continue. Confirm your identity by providing your username and password. Now on this section, you're going to select your card preference. So here is where you can adjust your credit card limit. Scroll down and then you're going to select your statement date, right? This is where you want your statement to be generated. And then you're going to scroll down and determine if you want insurance or not. So for me, I did ensure that I did not select any form of insurance. On this page, you need to provide your contact information. Now the information that you provide here, ensure it is accurate because this is where your card will be mailed, right? So ensure that you provide the correct mailing address. So when the card is mailed out, you receive it without any issues. Now here you need to enter your RSA token. This is if you're an existing NCB customer, right? So you're going to provide your token and then select Continue. Here, take some time to review your card information. Now, one change that I made was the card insurance. I didn't opt for any form of insurance on my card. Here, ensure that you read the consent form and then agree that you fully understand what you're signing to, right? And then once you agree, you're going to select Next to continue. Ensure that you read the acceptance agreement, acknowledge that you read it, and then select Submit. Now, one thing to note, if you're not pre-approved, then the application will be a lot longer and you need to provide more information. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and don't forget to leave a like or a comment on this video.